High-quality landline telephone cord, 15-foot phone cable, RJ11 male to male ends for connecting telephone, modem or fax to a telephone wall jack, coupler or splitter. Phone cable specs. Cable length, 15 feet. Wiring, straight through for data and voice. Conductor size, 28 Aruban florins. Conductor material, 100% copper. Cable jacket, extra durable PVC. Plugs, RJ11 Male, 6P4C. Contact material, copper alloy. Contact plating, 50 micron thick gold. Supports dual line phones. All safety compliant, RoHS certified. Made in USA. Benefits. Connects telephones, modems, DSL modems, fax or answering machines to a standard RJ11 wall jack or splitter. Four-conductor, 6P4C design allows for operation of a two-line phone. High-quality materials provide good solid connection without signal loss. Thicker gold plating provides more mating cycles and highest corrosion resistance. Straight wired, supports data, DSL, and voice. RoHS certified, all materials are without hazardous substances. Provides clear sound and reliable connection. Each phone cord was tested before packing and has passed a connection test. Our high-grade materials and quality construction provide superior long-lasting cable for clear sound and reliable connection. Beautifully hand-rolled into the package, as shown in photo, without kinks, twists, or sharp bends, which keeps it smooth, straight and makes it easy to install and hide. Top reviews from the United States. Great cord. Worked great for needed extended cord for phone. Also lays flat.